Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our final golden ticket assembly of this half term. It's Friday the 5th of February and we're here for years 3, 4, 5 and 6. I say the final golden tickets because there's no golden ticket or shout assembly next week. It's presentation assembly, so do look out for those next week. So the amazing assemblies and the amazing work the children have done throughout this half term. But this morning we've got lots of golden tickets for these amazing children in years 3, 4, 5 and 6. You won't see a great deal of me this morning because I'm videoing close up on the screen so we can really see these golden ticket winners. We're going to kick off this morning in year 3. Yes, we're starting off with Mr. Ackerman in year 3. This child has been working very hard and has been very creative with lots of their home learning. He's never afraid to ask questions and enjoys talking about his learning and sharing it with others. He is kind, polite and caring, and it's lovely to see him adapting to our current new way of learning and getting stuck in. He has ability to achieve whatever he sets his mind to and should be more confident in his own abilities because he's an absolute star and a golden ticket winner. Marshall! Well done, Marshall, you superstar. So impressed, buddy. Every single day you are working so hard with that timetable rockstar spelling, absolutely super, buddy. Keep it up. When we return back to full school, I know you will hit the ground running and I'm so proud of you. You should be proud of yourself and I know mum and dad will be as well. So well deserved and look out for the golden ticket coming in the post. Proud of you, Marshall. Thank you and well done. Moving on to Miss White's. Miss White's class is this person has really come out of their shell in year 3. We have always known they work hard and try their best. Now we are starting to see their confidence growing and they are doing some great independent learning. They help out at home, read regularly and are a times table superstar. They're also a golden ticket superstar and it goes to Eric. Well done, Eric, you absolute superstar. You are well deserved. You're working so hard, buddy, and helping out, whether that's going out for exercise, hoovering, clearing up, preparing meals. You are absolute superstar, whether that's at school or at home. I am really proud of you. So really well done. On Friday, you'll be able to take that golden ticket home with you. So really good. And I know your brother, mum and dad will be so proud of you. So really well done. I am very proud of you. Keep it up, buddy. Moving on to Mr. Pinner. He's been working exceptionally hard. Been completing all of his maths, English, history and science to the best of his ability. He's also been very active at home. He has been completing the PE with Joe sessions, jumping on his trampoline and boxing. He has helped out at home by doing the washing up and making his bed. In class before lockdown, he was making great progress by sticking to tasks and not giving up. This is a thoroughly deserved golden ticket. It really is. Golden ticket goes to none other than Botan. Here he is. Yes. Well done, Botan. You absolute superstar, buddy. I am so proud of you. Got to look at the shout out assembly this week. There's a special shout out for you there. So please do have a look at that. But at this moment now, it's your special. It's your golden ticket. Really well deserved, buddy. I know your sisters, your mum and dad will be so proud of you. Pride of Place that's coming, bringing its way in the post to you, buddy. Well done and thank you. Well done. Moving on, Miss Barrett says this child has really blown me away with the amount of work they're completing at home and posting online. And me, to be fair, they really are. They're working so hard to complete their online lessons and they seem to be really proud of the work they're doing. I am too. They have an excellent start to their time at Marcross Primary School and they really understand what is expected of them. A well-deserved golden ticket. A really well-deserved golden ticket, considering they've only just started with us. Goes to Mason, you absolute superstar, buddy. What a start. Well deserved. There's your star worker when we were back in school, but actually you have well deserved this golden ticket. I am so proud of you. Keep up that work at home. It's really impressive and it's going to give you such a good start when we all get back to school eventually at some point. So well done, Mason. It's coming in the post, so really well deserved and look out for your golden ticket, buddy. I am proud of you. You should be proud of yourself as well. And I know mum will be chuffed. So really well done, buddy. Moving on to year 5, and here we go. Look, Miss Musselwhite says this child never fails to make all the adults and all the other children in year 5 smile. They're positive, upbeat, have an outstanding imagination. They have made so much progress since September, both in terms of their learning and their general social skills. With very few children in class at the moment, we have worked this child incredibly hard and they've coped extremely well with the new routines we have. Our golden ticket winner is Kendrick! Yay! Yes, Kendrick, you absolute superstar. What a super. You have been working amazingly, Kendrick. I am so proud of you. You have so earned this golden ticket, buddy. Thank you for working so hard, trying your best and just adapting to the new way of school and learning. You have coped with it brilliant. I am so proud of you. I know all the adults will. I know mum and dad and brother will be so chuffed as well. And you'll be able to take this home with you on Friday. I am proud of you, buddy. Really well done. Congratulations, Kendrick. Well done. Moving on. Miss Arthurton says, this week our golden ticket goes to a young man that has made amazing progress due to his commitment to his home learning. He's not failed to impress us with the standard of work that he is independently producing. It's been a delight to see how much he has matured, and he has now taken responsibility for developing his knowledge and understanding across all curriculum areas. He should be very proud of everything he has achieved, because we are all very proud of him. We certainly are. Congratulations. You've worked very hard, and it's a well-deserved golden ticket winner, Brooklyn. Well done, buddy. Honestly, all of that work that you are posting, everything that you are doing, you're just carrying on as if you were at school. So it's lovely to see, Brooklyn. Keep it up, buddy. It's so impressive because the work you're doing is such a high standard, such a high quality. So really well done, buddy. I am proud of you. Keep it up. Thank you. Moving on to year 6, Mr. Davison says, this person has been working consistently hard throughout the spring term. They have been continuing to challenge themselves in maths, and as a consequence, their arithmetic scores have been very impressive. Moreover, there was one aspect of their learning that particularly amazed the Year 6 team this week. Their reading record. They haven't stopped reading since finished school for Christmas, and the detail with which they have completed their reading record is exactly what is expected of a Year 6 child. It really is. Golden ticket goes to none other than Harlow. You absolute superstar, Harlow. It is amazing. You are carrying on. The reading is phenomenal. Well done. Keep that up at home. It's so impressive to see Year 6s working so hard as if they were at school. Harlow, you are one of them. Really well-deserved golden ticket. Look out for it coming in the post. I know your brother will be very impressed, so really well done, and help him out as well. It's always good to help out younger brothers, and I know you absolutely will. So well done, hun, and keep it up. I'm proud of you. Move on. Miss Percy says, golden ticket in 6JP this week is awarded to someone who has hugely impressed the Year 6 staff with their attitude to home learning. Since the very beginning of term, they have put maximum effort into all the work they are doing at home and are making sure that they take part in every lesson, producing neat and very thoughtful work. They are active on Shobi, commenting when they are unsure, and they respond to feedback. We can see just how hard you are working at home, and we know this will continue. A huge well done to Cody. Look at that. And their artwork, buddy, is amazing. That artwork you've done is phenomenal. It's brilliant. Big thumbs up from Mr. Allen as well. Really impressive how hard you are working every day. Thank you so much from me. I know Year 6s are very impressed. I know Miss Percy is as well. So really well done. Look out for the golden ticket winging its way in this post to you. You absolute superstar. Well done. Amazing drawings. I'd love to have copies of those. They are so good. So if you get an opportunity, drop them so we can take photocopies of those, because they are brilliant, buddy. Really well done. Finally, well done to everyone, all of our golden ticket winners. That's absolutely amazing. Thank you, guys. Let's keep it up. Keep all that amazing work going. So impressed. So thank you so much. Finally, next week's presentation assemblies. No golden tickets next week. We've got presentation assemblies. So looking forward to that next Friday with lots and lots of certificates for all those children who've been working so hard throughout this half term. So really looking forward to that next Friday. But yeah, no shout outs, no golden tickets, but it's just presentation assemblies next week. So look out for those, everyone. Finally, as usual, thank you again for staying home, protecting Milecross, and helping to keep everyone safe. Keep it up, guys. And until next week's presentation assembly, bye-bye, everyone.